Clion Ide setup for C and C++ programming language installation on Windows 11 and Windows 10 explain. Google search box లో enter Clion Ide download. Enter key press jetbrains.com. Clion C/C++ developer tool run on Linux, Windows, macOS. First link click. JetBrains official web page complete display. Close. A cross-platform IDE for C and C++. Bottom side first button. Download click. Close. Download Clion. Supporting OS Windows, macOS, Linux. Users also related options select. Present Windows setup default detect and display Windows. Download related .exe Windows. Right side down arrow click. Windows first one, second one zip, third one ARM64. exe Windows first option select. Close. Thank you for downloading Clion. Download section లో Clion latest version 2025.3.2.exe executable file downloading process start. File size 106 GB. Wait and hear few minutes. Downloading process completed. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder లో exe executable file. Select mouse double click. Please wait while setup is loading. Clion.exe window లో first button yes click. Download folder minimize. Welcome to Clion setup window లో first button next click. Choose installation location. Clion application related installation destination folder. Installation path display inbox. Local disk C program files. Newly created folder JetBrains subfolder Clion. Default set. Space required 6.0 GB. In case change the another one drive, browse button click. Present unnecessary. Second button next click. Installation options. Configure your Clion installation. Section లో create desktop shortcut. Necessary box tick mark set. Second one update context menu. Add open folder as project. Left side box tick mark set. Next create associates. Programming related options. First one C box tick mark set. Second one H.C. Third one set CPP tick mark set. CLX necessary tick mark set. HPP box tick mark set. HXX left side box tick mark set. Add bin folder to the path. Left side option box tick mark set. Second button next click. Choose start menu folder. Default folder name JetBrains. Set. Second button install click. Installing. Please wait while Clion is being installed. Clion IDE application related files, executable files, extracting process start. Wait and hear few minutes. Show details button click. Application related files, extracting files. Info display in box. Extracting modules, packages, files completed. Completing Clion setup. Middle section run Clion option. Left side box tick mark set. Second button finish click. Desktop shortcut Clion display. Clion latest version 2025.3 official JetBrains IDEs. Application run. Data sharing window lo first button don't send click. Clion window lo first button yellow click. Import settings window lo second option skip import click. Application related interface display window maximize. Welcome to Clion section lo first one icon new project click. Language standard section lo right side C++ language 20. Right side down arrow click. Select option. Left side window lo first one C++ executable files. default option select, and in case if you want to C++ libraries, second one select related options. Right side window display, right side bottom section lo create button click, build our project C++, window maximize, detected C++ compiler Mingw, name Mingw, and toolset bundles Mingw, C compiler and C++ compiler, all options as its same default set. OK button click. Left side window main.cpp file select, complete select, delete key press, enter the C++ simple script. Top section lo 4 dots, main menu icon click, save all option select, top section lo run green color button click, bottom side window lo hello world cherry tech info display, code 0 error display. Main menu icon click, first one new file option select, sub panel lo first option project click, third option C executable file select, created file location display, create click, first one this window button click, default simple script, remove text, right side top section lo main menu icon click, save all option select, top section lo run green color button click, executed output cherry tech info Warangal display.